We're doing more multiplication, basically. And they're asking us to find b times c squared, if possible. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply b times c and then multiply that by itself. Again, multiply b times c. I'm going to have, this is column by row, and column by row. And my answer matrix is going to be a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, since we've got, now our answer matrix is going to be 2 by 2. And we're going to multiply the first row by in B by the first column in C. Remind myself this is B times C. Okay, negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. First row in B times second column in C is negative 3 times negative 3, which is 9. Moving down to the second row in B is 2. First column in C is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. And lastly, 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. So there's my B times C, and I'm going to multiply it by itself. Reminding myself how this goes. And because these are both 2 by 2 matrices, my answer matrix is also going to be a 2 by 2 matrix. So negative 12 times negative 12, oh boy, these numbers got big, is 144. And I'm going to add that to 9 times 8, which is 216. Continuing on, first row times second column, negative 12 times 9. So in this column, this row, negative 12 times 9 plus 9 times negative 6. Okay, I had to pick up the calculator. So that's negative 54. Moving to the second row, first column, so second row in the first matrix, first column in the second, 8 times negative 12 plus negative 6 times 8 gives a negative 144. And last row, last column, 8 times 9 plus negative 6 times negative 6 gives a 108. Okay, find A times B plus C if possible. All right, let's just rewrite A times B. Pretty small. Okay, is it going to be possible to multiply these two? Well, this is a 2 by 2, and this is, again, column and row, so one column by 2 rows, and I can multiply them, and I will have a 2 by 1 matrix as a result. Sorry, 1 by 2, because so the number of columns is going to be 1, the number of rows is going to be 2. So what we use is the number of rows in the first matrix and the number of columns in the second, but remember we switch these because our matrix goes by columns and rows, 1 by 2. So this will work. Again, remember my direction of multiplication. Negative 2 times negative 3 is 6, plus 0 times 2, and 5 times negative 3 is negative 15, plus 6, it sounds like it's a negative 9. So there's A times B, and we're going to add that to C, and the C matrix is 4 and negative 3, and I made an error. Let's go back. No, I better fix the error here. I meant to write this as a Yeah, I needed it, so B times C. Yeah, I needed it that direction. So, okay, we are going to just punt on this one. If it were the other direction, we could do the addition. This is D and E. Now, I did notice on the quiz that they never have D and E as an answer. So, apologize for the error. Let me know if you have any trouble with that problem. You'll see it on the quiz. Okay, I'm going to stop this video because this one's going to